Hey, what is up YouTube? So for this video we are doing an unboxing of the complete desktop recording studio with Mac Mini. Just a heads up, this is an old school bundle. So the Mac Mini in here is from the year 2014. It is now July 2019. The reason why I got it was the Mac Mini. I needed an Apple product, something basic for tutorials and stuff. Haven't had a Mac computer in a while. So, like I said, I got it from Guitar Center. This thing comes with a lot of software. I don't think I'm going to be installing any of that. Just GarageBand, I'm cool with that. iMovie should be good. So, let us look at the box here. I can see the iTunes logo in the back there. So, I don't think people use iTunes that much anymore. I think Apple's discontinuing the iTunes also. So, it's pretty interesting. There's a lot of stuff here software-wise. And that is the list of things in the bundle. You got the mic, headphones, a mixer. And here are the stats for the Mac Mini. It is a late 2014 model. I think it comes with Sierra operating system. Last operating system I had with the Mac, I think I was using Snow Leopard, which was like years ago. So for me, this is still an upgrade. I'll put a link in the description below of how I got it from of Guitar Center. So here's the top of the box. You got your quick start guide right here. I think the bundle was worth it in my opinion. I'm trying to make more YouTube videos and I'm trying not to spend too much money. So that's the bottom line. Nothing too fancy here, and the extra monitor will be nice. So looks like it's V7 is the brand of this. Just a basic keyboard and mouse is what I'm expecting. You got your AKG microphone. This thing has good reviews. I kind of looked at the reviews as well. Definitely worth the price. It's the P120. And then you got your, looks like we got this, the Scarlett 2i2 audio interface apparently. I'm not a music pro at all. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. I'm probably going to hook it up to the microphone. Nothing too fancy. Headphones. I could definitely use a new set of headphones. I do like using the Sony PlayStation headphones, the gold. It's pretty awesome. This one I think might even be better than that. Got a microphone cable. Looks like there's a HDMI cable. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's see what else we got. Opening up the monitor here. Mac Mini. That's what I've been looking forward to. Nice. So yeah, there is the audio interface. I'm just doing a quick voiceover showing you guys the different boxes, and then we're gonna open them up. Quick setup, nothing too crazy. AKG microphone. So I could definitely use an upgrade on the mic. I'm trying to I'm ordering a pop filter also. I gotta try and get better sound quality. AKG K52 headphones. The Mac Mini, of course, late 2014 model. This thing only has 5400 RPM, so the hard drive might be kind of slow. So we're gonna find out. And then you got your V7, just a basic keyboard and mouse. I'm not expecting much. I think the monitor is just a basic monitor, nothing crazy, nothing fancy at all. And here is our monitor, you guys. You know what's funny? This thing even came with a VGA cable. So I'm only expecting 1080p. What I do like about the Mac Mini, though, it has a lot of ports. Most Apple products nowadays, I notice they don't have much ports. So I like the Mac Mini. There's even a card reader in the back. So I was actually really surprised. And I'm glad that, wow, this, 2014, Mac, pretty awesome. And just here's a quick photo. Little bit of kind of the setup. I haven't turned it on yet. Trying to do more research on the Mac, and I'll figure everything out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Take it easy.